Hey, Clay here with Dissident Customs, and we're going to be talking about the Two Brothers Racing 2-in-1 Shorty exhaust for 2017 and up Harley-Davidson Touring. This is a first part in a series of multiple videos on this particular exhaust, as well as on this particular build. Real quick, we take a look at their website. This particular set is black. It is $899.98. Cat delete exhaust. Unboxing, everything in the box, perfect, great packaging. It does not include exhaust retaining rings or exhaust gaskets or new exhaust studs. Here I'm installing the O2 sensor bungs to facilitate the O2 sensors. Keep in mind that the front O2 sensor is gray and the rear O2 sensor is black. Once you have completed the installation of the O2 sensors, go ahead and install the exhaust retaining rings. This set doesn't come with new ones. If they're good, reuse them. If not, I recommend replacing them. You're going to go ahead and loosely install both front and rear header pipes. Next, you're going to install the TBR bracket using the included 5/16 by 1.5 bolts. Locate and install the included 5/16 clip nuts into the TBR muffler. Then go ahead and install the muffler into the bike. Once the muffler is installed, go ahead and use the included springs to lock everything together, and then use the 5/16 3/4 inch bolts on the bracket you already installed on the side of the transmission case to lock everything down. Keep everything loose, and as you move, start with the headers and move your way down to the bracket, get everything nice and tight, and then install your heat shields. All this is pretty straightforward. Stay tuned for the next portion of this exhaust once we get the bike running again. This will be a multi-part series for multiple components of this build. So if you like what we're doing, if you like what you see, go ahead and like and subscribe. If you have used the Two Brothers exhaust before, the 2-in-1 Shorties, leave your comments in the section below. If you have any questions, go ahead and do the same. And until then, ride safe and keep your knees in the breeze.